like this? Well, this is a Mel Science kit and this is how I made it. This is a really easy and straightforward music box that only took a couple pieces to build. And this is a board with some plastic pieces on, and they will imitate your melodies. If you want to change your melody, well, you can just rearrange these plastic pieces. Now, let's try it. Totally different, right? Well, this kit is designed to help you learn about sound. Totally different, right? Well, all sounds are made by vibrations. These vibrations make air particles move too. They bump into each other and pass the vibrations along. Finally, the air particles bump into your eardrums, and that is how you hear sound. I'm going to leave a link for this kit in my description. I personally think Mel Science is really cool and fun. Mel Science has a variety of different kits, from chemistry to engineering. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.